lemon drop cookies. Just a large bowl. Take 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Right, is it me?
Yep, that's flour.
A teaspoon of baking soda. 3 first teaspoons of salt. 3 whisk with a magic whisk. Okay, whisk it good. Let's go fast, Mommy. Can I go fast, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going fast, Mommy.
Keep it in the bowl.
So they are mixed together side to side. 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Wait, what's that right there? We'll add 2 cups of white sugar. Nope, not that. And then we mix.
Push it down.
Cover it. Mix it. Keep on mixing. Mix it for 2 minutes. That's nice and fluffy. After it's all mixed together, we're gonna add 2 eggs. Is that 2 eggs?
Mm-hmm.
But wait, why is that egg melted? The other egg is melted, Mom.
That's okay.
Tablespoons of lemon juice. That juice is sour. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Well, is lemon zest?
Mm-hmm.
And 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. Lemon extract. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This.
Mm-hmm. Pour it in.
I'll put it in. And add our dry ingredients. We mix. Add my favorite part, the white chocolate chips.
Can you open?
Can I put a little in?
Put the whole bag in.
Okay. Oh, for me to have. We mix.
Turn on the mixer.
Oh. Here, let me try this one.
It's already locked, baby.
There. That is all mixed together. Scoop it onto the cookie sheet. Number 3, come out. Number 3 is really sticky. Number 3 is the really sticky.
There it goes. It's coming.
The cookies scooped on the cookie sheet. Bake at 250. 12 minutes. Can I eat the rest? Hey, Mommy, let's bake it. Out of the oven, allow them to cool for 3 minutes. Top them with powdered sugar. A little.
Yep. Sprinkle it on the cookies.
Okay. Once they're covered in powdered sugar, it's time to enjoy.
Okay, pick one.
Can I have the little one?
Yeah.
Can I have, which one can I have? Can I have the circle one?
Anyone you want.
Can I have the little one, the other size one?
Yes.
I really love these cookies. But it's not hot, huh?
No, it's not hot.
Delicious. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.